Protecting the domain controller in an Active Directory is critical because it is the single point of authentication and authorization for the entire network, and its compromise equates to a total network compromise. In this video, we will demonstrate how FortiNDR Cloud detects DCSync attacks. A DCSync attack involves using a compromised account with replicate directory change permissions. This grants the attacker permission to request password hashes from the domain controller. This method is mainly used to obtain the KRBTGT hash, which allows the attacker to maintain persistent domain access. Here is the setup we will use in the demo. Traffic going to and from the domain controller is monitored by the FortiNDR Cloud sensor. To initiate a DCSync attack, the attacker has access to an account with replicate directory change permissions and has logged in. The attacker will use Mimikatz. Mimikatz will impersonate as a domain controller to sync information from the domain controller. After successfully running DCSync attack using Mimikatz, the hash of the user KRBTGT is now obtained. Having the hash of the KRBTGT user, the attacker can then use this hash to forge a Kerberos golden ticket, which would allow the attacker unrestricted access to domain accounts and resources. Moving over to FortiNDR Cloud, we navigate to the Detections tab and see we have a detection for non-periodic domain replication. This detection, through the learning of device behaviors, identifies non-domain controllers exhibiting domain controller operations such as domain controller sync. Moving to the Events tab, we will scroll to the right to learn more about this detection. The context will show the first seen and last seen timestamp when the IP performed a domain sync. It also shows the total counts the IP performed a domain controller sync. Safeguarding domain controllers is a critical component of an organization's overall security strategy to prevent compromise. This is one of the many Active Directory threats detected using FortiNDR Cloud. For more information, please reach out to your FortiNDR Cloud sales or account representative. This concludes our presentation on DCSync attack coverage on FortiNDR Cloud.